Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today in this video we'll be seeing how to make gosla hummus or rich gourd gravy. To prepare this recipe, firstly take a medium sized rich gourd and chop the top and bottom portion of it. Further peel them with the help of peeler and chop them into medium sized pieces. Do not discard the rich gourd peel. You can prepare a chutney with the same, and the recipe of the rich gourd peel chutney is there in the description box. Next, take a thick bottom vessel and once it's hot enough, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into it. Add half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of jeera, 2 to 3 dried red chili and a handful of curry leaf and prepare the tempering. Now add the previously chopped rich gourd and 1/4 cup of water and allow it to cook until the water starts boiling. Now add salt as per taste and mix everything well. Close this with a lid and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes in medium to high flame. Keep stirring this occasionally to make sure it's uniformly cooked. Do not overcook the rich gourd since we need the crunchy texture left in it. Now your delicious Konkani style gosla hummus is ready. This can be had as a side dish along with rice. So do try this simple recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.